Dysarts, heading out to dinner later with the family. We got B & Sons Transport, Carmel, Maine. Awesome white Pete working truck. We got gray and orange Peterbilt. Awesome truck. Car hauling. S&S Auto Transport. I missed the town they were from. See if we get the back plate. The Wally up here from Missouri. Cool. Found another gorgeous truck. This thing's purple and black. Ridge Road Express from Littleton, Maine. Oh man, it's got a purple frame on it. Freightliner. Wow. Yeah, wow. Another working truck right here. Awesome colors.